Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Your friend GM is here to share some more information about William Wordsworth, 1770 1850, romantic poet, miscellaneous MCQs, API 4. This is my final slide about William Wordsworth. Next, I will do something more about literature to share some more information. So today is the final slide about William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, his poem to Milton is a sonnet. He composed Feast of Pogum in 1807. During a revolutionary period, the whole trend of his writing was towards simplification of life. He wrote 132 ecclesiastical sonnets. According to him, man is a part of nature. He wrote, "The world is too much with us." Lowell said he is the historian of Lake District. The first book of Prelude is concerned with the first stage of the role of nature in his life. As a lover of nature, he made up a trip to Alps in 1790. He spent his vacation in 1790 in France. While at Lake District, his family consisted of 3 persons. He said, "The revolution in its earliest phase involved no revolution in Wordsworth's mental life. Bliss was in the dawn to be alive." This line appears in Prelude. In a second visit to France, he saw misery and suffering. He was enraged when England waged war on France. Wordsworth has described his disgust about French Revolution in The Sparrow's Nest, the seaside sonnet written by him in 1802. He brought democratic note in English poetry. French Revolution humanized Wordsworth's soul. Daffodil is a poem written by Wordsworth, is all praises of nature. Nature is the main concern of romantic poetry. Next, I shall make some videos on another romantic poet, Percy Bysshe Shelley. Thank you so much to listen my videos about William Wordsworth. I shall try to make it more refined as per your taste, as per your comment. Please pray for me to do it better. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.